In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on security and privacy section. Now scroll again to tap on device unlock. And after scrolling one last time, hit face unlock here. Tap on face. Hit agree in this pop-up. And enter your current login method to continue. Now hit add now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select done, manage all of those options and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!